Mangaluru City Police made the biggest ever seizure of drugs in Karnataka police history.
Mangaluru Police have seized over 37 kg of MDMA worth 75 crore rupees on March 16, making it the biggest drug bust in Karnataka's history. Police Commissioner Anupam Agarwal said the operation was the result of a 6-month investigation. It started in September when police arrested a man named Haider Ali in Pumpwell in Mangaluru with 15 grams of MDMA. This led them to a Nigerian national, Peter, who was caught in Bengaluru with MDMA worth 6 crore rupees. As police investigated further, they discovered an international drug network operating through Delhi and Bengaluru. Following a tip-off, the Mangaluru Central Crime Branch arrested 2 South African nationals, Bamba Fant and Abigail Adonis, on March 14th in Neeladri, Nagar, in Electronic City in Bengaluru. They were found with MDMA hidden in their trolley bags along with 4 mobile phones, passports and 80,000 rupees in cash. Police believed they were supplying drugs to Nigerian peddlers in Bengaluru and other areas. They are also suspected of using fake passports and visas. The investigation is still going on as authorities work to discover the full network behind this massive drug trade.
Today, Mangaluru City Police made the biggest ever seizure of drugs in Karnataka police history. Yesterday, from Bangalore, we have arrested 2 West African and Nigerian women who were carrying 38 kg MDMA worth 75 crore. And we have taken up the case in this regard. This story started 6 months back when we arrested one local drug peddler, Haider Ali, for carrying 15 gram MDMA. On further investigation and interrogation, we found that he was taking delivery from one Nigerian person. His name is Peter IKD, and from him we seized 6 kg 300 gram MDMA. Our investigation continued, and from the last 6 months we were making lot of hard work in identifying who are the original source of suppliers. And after 6 months of hard work, we could find out the pattern, and the pattern was that every time from Delhi, 2 women, they will of African originality, they will travel from the Bangalore airport towards Bangalore, and in each delivery they will deliver MDMA. So we were keeping an eye, and the last 13th night we were successful in identifying them. And on 13th night, they took these 2 ladies took 9:50 flight from Delhi, landed in Bangalore around 12:20. Then after that they took a cab, and they were trying to deliver to the local peddlers. Then at the time 7:30 in the morning, our team intercepted them, and they were carrying 2 trolleys. When we checked, they were carrying 38 kg MDMA into that. And on further interrogation, we found out that they are doing it regularly from the last 1 year. In the last 1 year, they have made 37 trips to Bangalore for delivery of MDMA, and similarly 22 times they have visited Bombay for doing the same transaction. The name of the first lady is Bamba Fanta. She is from West Africa, came to India in the year 2020, and on the business visa. After expiry of business visa, she stayed. Initially, she was doing food cart business, but from the last 1.5 years, she is in this drug cartel. Similarly, the other lady, her name is Adonis, and she is from Nigeria, and she came to India in the year 2016 July. And right now she was doing the cloth business. However, in the last 1 year, she's involved in a similar drug cartel, and we were keeping eye on them from last 5 to 6 months, and finally we were succeeded in nabbing them. And this is how the drug cartel is operating, and we are working further to identify who are the original suppliers to them.